Coming live from Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. Folks, today we're gonna be repairing our plywood. The last video saw that. You see, not the last video, I think it's two videos before this one. I was demonstrating how you can fix a plywood. So a plywood for my command center here at the JW Solar USA. So these are the fix I've done to the board. It's all sealed with nail, with a liquid nail sealant or adhesive. So they are closed really well. Fill them up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint them today, paint that area to match the walls there, and it's the same as the board. So I have a 5-gallon paint here that was used to paint this entire room. So I was able to utilize part of that paint on that board. So stay tuned for that. And this is the gallon we're gonna be painting tonight or today. I have my brushes and a roller, but I need a small brush to go on a simple or tiny place like that. You know, the roller can go across if I wanted to, but I don't think it's necessary. Just brought it for in case. So this is the paint. Let's do it. Subscribe, like, and share to the video. Well, guys, this is the paint. So see, so I'm trying to stir. It has been sitting for couple years or something like that. 1.5 to 2 years now. Almost 2 years, I think so. I'll stick to 1.5 year. But I have videos that was showing my home improvement. If you go back on the playlist, you will see on home improvement videos, you will see how the house was already trying to, sorry guys, my wife is dealing with ghost pepper. Could you imagine the ghost peppers I grew? So from a year ago, last year, the year before, because we can't eat it that fast, so we're having the freezer, and she was taking them as fresh ones because we put in the zip lockers and all that stuff. So she decided to make some spices, you know, and this is the result. I'm dealing with and she's dealing with, so I have to close the door by the command center here, so I can't be coughing while making this video. So this is the paint. I'm stirring it. I stir it really good, but I don't need that much, so I don't want to waste the paint. So look at this. I'm ready for painting, guys. So we can paint the command center, and all you guys who follow me into this video. I don't have a lot of views into this because I don't think you guys found it interesting, but someday probably you will, and let me know what you think. I hope this paint blends exactly. Sometimes if you can look at it, the walls kind of look not beige. I think this is kind of beige, little beige, but I don't know. Let's see how it works. Or if not, when I remove the equipment, then I can just repaint the entire board. So this is what it is. I have the paint, so I can able to do it. Stay tuned for that. Love you guys all. Subscribe. First of all, I don't want to declare myself I'm a painter. I'm not. No, it's not my field, and I'm not going to take any credit for it. So you guys, a lot of painters out there, don't make fun of me, and a lot of builders out there, or people that normally do home improvement, don't make fun of me. I might probably know how to handle the brush properly, but hey, we all have a purpose in the world. So I can do the best I could live from here, JW Solar USA. According to what I've learned the past years, never use dip the brush all the way deep. Just a little bit of that. You don't want to make a mess. Sometimes you can just like probably go like this. I'm not teaching. I'm just trying to illustrate what I've learned or what I've seen painters normally do, because you don't want it to be splattered everywhere. So let's see if this thing really match. Oh boy, it's really be off. I think so. I think it's a little bit off. This is the thing. Like I said, I'm not a painter. I'm not trying to praise myself or give myself a credit here. But I know paints, they do have codes on them. Right? I'm just dabbing it right now. And you want to go one way. You can't be going up and down, you go sideways. So if you're going sideways, you got to keep going sideways. That's what I've seen and that's what I've learned from painters. All right, stay tuned. I'll give you the final product. Bye for now. Yeah, just remember it's only one way. You're going one way. And I'm not trying to make this board really decent like a wall or something, because it's just a board to able to hold equipment up here, and for the time being, you know. But this is what I'm doing. You like what I'm practicing here? I'm not calling myself a pro, and I don't claim to be a pro. This is not my trade, and this is not my profession, and I leave it to the big guys out there. It's all yours. Shout out to you guys who knows how to do this better, but I know how to do it for myself. That works for me. You can't hire me to do this, because I'm gonna turn you down completely. Turn that that request down right away, because I'm not a painter. I'll tell you, find a professional. Look at these guys. I know some people say that's kind of rough. I would have sanded that a little bit. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'll clear it right now. I'm not gonna do it. The reason why I'm gonna say I'm not doing it, because this board is not gonna be a professional look like the wall. Okay, this is just a DIY thing, and this is just a board that's supposed to be holding this thing. Like I mentioned before in my video, I was sick and tired of seeing the holes. When I film my videos, I always trying to bring it down so I can be showing all these holes here. So that was a secret behind it. So now I can able to film it. It's fine. It's just a plywood. Okay? It's just a plywood. But look at that. What do you guys think about me here doing this? You know, it takes a steady hand to go through here. And you see, so I can just rub the paint everywhere on the back plate of the Magnum. So that part, I know I'm blessed with that. My hands are steady. The wall here, this bump or whatever you seen there, don't look at it. It's a plywood. Okay? It's not a plain or really good plywood. But I'm going to be doing this here. That's why I use a special brushes. You know, you get into this point, you shimmer around, see, just show how you can be someday a professional by trade. Look at this. Tell me, look at that. Anything you set your mind into, guys, you can do it. Take that advice from me. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Bye. Pepper is still cooking here. Hot ghost peppers. Like and subscribe.